So I'm going to switch from the shuttle to a needle. And I'm going to thread the needle. I hold the thread between two fingers and I push it through the eye of the needle. I hang on to the needle and I pull the thread out. Now I don't want to tie a knot. I want to double a part of this, but not all of it. And I don't want to weave with it doubled. And now I'm going to continue, just use the needle just like I was using the shuttle. And I've got to pull more thread through because the shuttle had a lot of yarn on it. Remember to put your finger so that you're not pulling it tight. And I'm only weaving 5 threads over right now. I'm making a vertical stripe with my green. I will have to fill in a different color over here. Now I could continue to use my shuttle, but if you prefer the needle, that's just fine. When you fill in, you're going to have to use a needle. Now let me show you some things that can happen with the needle. If I pull on the needle instead of the yarn, I will just unthread the needle. Not good. So don't pull on the needle, pull on the yarn. See, I'm pulling on the yarn, not the needle, so that I don't unthread it. And I don't want to weave with the thread doubled. When the thread starts to be doubled, I have to let some, where I have this doubled on my needle, I have to let some down. Let a little bit more out.